Hello, Colt members. My name is Dana Tracy, and I'm an elementary Spanish teacher in Farmington, Connecticut, and this is your tip of the week. The purpose of today's tip of the week is to inform you of one of the many opportunities that COLT affords, and that is the art contest. By the end of this tip, it's my hope that you'll pass this tip to a colleague and expand this contest. Let's break it down into the what, who, when, where, how, and why. What is the art contest? The art contest, formerly known as the poster contest, is a wonderful way to promote the study of world languages. It encourages your students to share their enthusiasm with their peers throughout Connecticut. The contest is now expanded to include a wide variety of mediums: still digital, dynamic digital, 3D, and poster to encourage more student activity and creativity and participation. Who? All members of the Connecticut Council of Language Teachers and their students are invited to participate. Not a member, not a problem. Just visit ctcolt.org. When is this? Registration opens January 3rd, 2023 and closes on March 10th, 2023. Don't miss it. Where is this contest happening? This is all digital this year. There is a school entry fee of $10, and I encourage you to go to the ctcolt.org website to investigate. I like to ask my PTO, my principal, or even out of my own pocket pay for this because it's such a valuable experience. How? How can I get involved? You and your learning community can get involved easily by using this sample assignment explanation. It is 4 slides, which you can put into your Google Classroom or whatever digital platform you might be using with your students at all levels. It explains the contest, has a link for any extra questions, talks about the parameters and the theme, Discovering the Joy of Languages, which is posted here for this year, 2023. It does have examples of some of the winners from last year. It talks about the rubrics so your students can see the very best work that they have to post. And finally, prizes, what they can win, even recognition on the CT COLT website as winners. Let's go back to the tip of the week. Why is this important? There are many opportunities here for you and for your students. For your learning community, the art contest offers them cultures, comparisons, connections with global and cultural competence. It's always a challenge for me to find all of the 5 C's in my lessons, but this is a great way for you to have it all. This is also a great way for you to talk with other individuals in your building, like your art teacher, librarian, or media service specialist, and our music teacher, to get them all involved into this cross-curricular project. There are opportunities for teachers to continue developing their leadership skills and their professional skills here. You can participate by submitting your students' work digitally, be a teacher leader. You can serve as a judge on this committee, and more information will be mailed out to members about this opportunity, or be a teacher leader and step up to work on curriculum development for this project. There are also advocacy opportunities for you, the teacher. All students who submit art receive a participation certificate. This will be personalized digitally and printed out by you. I like to take pictures of my students with their certificates to send to my supervisors and to their families. They love it. All winners will be recognized with prizes and will be publicized on the COLT website. All teachers who participate and submit student work, and all teachers who serve as judges or committee members, will receive recognition via email, letters to their administrators and supervisors that can be put into your professional files and portfolios. This to me is very important because as an elementary Spanish teacher, my program is always on the budgetary chopping block. This is a great tool. I hope you've learned something new about this, and I hope you will join us. Thank you for listening to the Tip of the Week.